Okay, we're just randomizing for the wild card for break number 38. And this is for redemption number 215. And so we're going to see how many times we're going to randomize. So we're going to generate just one time. And there we go. So 7. Here are the ones that are involved. Koki No FX, Mike 80772, Brick GRP, Greg's Meg Greg, WCCUP, Eagle Pearl, Dom Sab, Kamikaze, Todd Pert. Okay, 7 times. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the winner is 7th final time. 7 times. Mike 80072. Alright, that concludes break number 38 for Breaker Boys. Team Break Artifacts 2016-17.